And a special thanks and shout out to Hobson GM in Martinsville, Indiana for allowing me to come out and film this brand new 2019 Buick Envision. Hello everyone. Today let's take a detailed, in-depth walk-around look at this brand new, nicely equipped 2019 Buick Envision. This Envision is the Essence trim line and is painted in satin steel metallic and features the light neutral leather with ebony accents. First introduced in summer of 2016, the Envision is the first Chinese-built GM vehicle to be sold in North America. And while all-wheel drive is optional, this Envision is front-wheel drive, and it features the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter dual-overhead cam, 16-valve EcoTec 4-cylinder engine. It creates 197 horsepower at 6,300 RPM, 192 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.8 seconds, and features a top speed of 120 miles per hour. Fuel capacity is 17.3 gallons and is EPA rated at 22 city, 29 highway with a combined rating of 25 miles per gallon. The Envision consumes 4 gallons per 100 miles driven. The transmission on this vehicle is a 6-speed automatic and features manual shift capabilities via the toggle on the side of the lever. Buick refreshed the exterior of the Vision for the 2019 model year to fall in line with the rest of the lineup. It features quiet tuning technology with active noise cancellation and triple door seals in conjunction with laminated glass to help absorb and reduce unwanted exterior wind noise and road noise. Inside also features revised seating for improved comfort and support. The rear of the vehicle does feature LED tail lamps, however they are incandescent turn indicators. Satin aluminum window trim around the side of the vehicle. Steering on the Envision is electrically assisted variable rate rack and pinion. Wheels are 18-inch 10-spoke polished aluminum with the Michelin Premier LTX 225/60 R18 tires. Brakes on this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes with StabiliTrak, stability control, and ABS. The brakes can bring the Envision from 70 miles per hour to 0 in 159 feet. And the front of the Envision features bold xenon high-intensity discharge projector beam headlamps. They are standard features on non-turbo engines, while the turbo engines have LED headlamps. Turn indicators are set below and are incandescent units. All Envisions feature LED daytime running lights, and down below, framed in chrome brightwork, are the halogen projector fog lamps. Front and center is a prominent Buick Tri-Shield badge. And this vehicle is equipped with remote start. To operate is simple. First you need to lock the vehicle, then press and hold the remote start button. And locking and unlocking the vehicle is easy with Buick's Smart Key Access system. By keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket, you're able to electronically lock and unlock the doors. To lock, simply locate the chrome button on the door handle. The horn will chirp, and the doors will lock. To unlock, simply press the button again. And inside is a very nicely equipped and very nicely crafted interior. It does feature soft touch vinyl padded materials as well as stitched accents. Unique gloss trim. The features kind of a wood look to it, but it's not wood. satin aluminum door pulls. This vehicle does have 2 driver memory with easy exit feature. It also has power locks, power mirrors, which have LED signal repeaters built into the sides of them. And of course it also has the blind spot monitor light. And of course you also have power windows and power door locks. Down below you have the automatic lift gate with height adjustment for the opening. Stainless steel Buick tread plate. 8-way power driver seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. Nicely padded, relatively comfortable and supportive front seats with high adjustable head restraints. The seats also contain perforated leather. Automatic headlamp control with fog lamps, instrument panel dim, and down below in the knee bolster you do have a small storage cubby. You have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Overall, the interior of the Envision is very nice. Alright, pan through the interior and show a little more details. As you can see, nice fluid, easy to use power steering. Steering wheel does have multifunction controls for cruise control, as well as hands-free Bluetooth communication. You've also got your trip computer controls, radio volume, and menu selects. Accent stitching across the leather is a nice touch, as is the satin stainless steel trim. Gives a high-end feel to it. Multifunction stalks on either side of the steering column. Nice, easy to read and legible gauges. You do have an LCD trip computer display in the center that features a variety of vehicle dynamic information. Panning over the top of the dash, you can see the door panels flow into the dashboard. It does have a stitched look to it with vinyl padded trim. A 4-way hazard flasher, and you have push button start. And of course you have Buick's IntelliLink touchscreen display. Features a variety of information as well as settings for vehicle and the screen. It does have weather displays for the local area. Of course, it is also equipped with navigation. It does support pinch to zoom, although I was having a little bit of an issue here with that. And of course, you can also drag the scroll as well. Controls for your rear climate control are also available in the screen. And of course, you also have traffic alerts. It's a handy feature on long road trips. And placing the vehicle in reverse does activate the backup camera. It does feature active guidance lines and works in conjunction with the ParkSense parking sensors. A nice touch is the circular analog clock. Down below you have your ParkSense power button and your auto start stop button. And down below still, 2 air vents. And of course you have your dual zone climate control. You can adjust the temperature settings here. I was having a little issue with touch response, and I think it has to do with the heat and humidity of today. It was about 95 degrees at the time of the recording. You can see it does have heated seats. The ventilated seats are below, but they are not active in this vehicle. The rest of the climate control buttons are in the center. They are easy to use and easy to understand. The polished trim on the center console continues in the 2 front cup holders, storage tray, and a bifolding armrest that opens up to reveal a nice amount of storage. Inside you have 2 USB ports. You've also got an auxiliary input jack and a 12-volt power point. There's a better look at it as I turn the camera around. Looking overhead, you have an elegant frameless automatic dimming rearview mirror. And overhead still, you have your OnStar controls with SOS, 2-stage illuminated map lights. They are LED. They are touch responsive. 3-channel HomeLink universal garage door opener, and your master control for the dome override, sunglasses holder, and of course this vehicle does have a dual pane panorama sunroof, and these are the controls. And here's a quick demonstration of the shade opening to reveal the dual pane glass. The front portion of the sunroof opens as a standard sunroof. Allows in a nice amount of light. The glass is also UV tinted as well. Sun visors feature illuminated vanity mirrors. They do slide out on extension rails. And in conjunction, you also have overhead assist handles. Alright, let's take a look at the rear seat. The rear seat is very nicely equipped as the front seat is. The rear doors carry the same theme and quality and attention to detail as the front doors do, with accent stitching and dual tone trim. Nice flat load floor. The rear seats do seat 3 across. They are 60-40 split folding. And in this rather embarrassing demonstration here, I show the seats do move forward and backwards, and they also do recline as well. This is true for both sides. High adjustable head restraints on the outboard seats. Perforated inserts, same as the front seats. And in the middle, you do have a fold-down center armrest. It does feature integrated cup holders. Rear seat passengers also have their own positional air vents. What's even nicer is they do have a fully automatic climate control. So it is a 3-zone climate control with their own temperature and fan speed as well as distribution. Heated seats are also standard in the rear. And down below there you do have 2 USB charge ports and a 12-volt power point. Load flat floor and 2 matte pockets at the backs of the seats. And folding the seats is easy, locating the lever at the base of the seat and pulling forward. And the seats do fold forward. And you can open the liftgate several ways by pressing this button here. It also has the hands-free that I failed to demonstrate, and you can also open it via the keyless remote. The hands-free is underneath the bumper. You just kick your foot underneath it and the liftgate will open up. And inside is a decently amount of luggage space. It is a nice low flat floor, and that's the front license plate frame there. As you can see, it is nice and load flat. It does feature numerous tie-down hooks. These chrome handles release the seat backs for easy seat back release. You also have a 12-volt power point. There is an overhead light, it just didn't show up in the frame. And inside the floor well is your compartmentalized storage. And underneath this you do have a compact spare tire. Jack and tools are also mounted below as well. And luggage space in the Envision is 26.9 cubic feet with the rear seats up. As stated before, lifting these levers here, fold the seats flat. With the rear seats folded, the capacity increases to 57.3 cubic feet. Pressing the button in the trim panel causes the liftgate to close. And this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at this brand new 2019 Buick Envision Essence. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching.